Ooh. Red kind of matches the mouse. It does. Damn, this is interesting. Ooh. This has some weight to it, by the way, chat. That is a big chunk of brass in the bottom. This is actually a cool profile of keyboard too. Like, take a look at the side profile here. Gotta nuke that spacebar tab. We'll chop it off. I like it. It kind of kicks up a little bit, which is kind of cool, right, chat? And you get that peak of brass, but it also has that, you know, it just sits underneath too. Kind of nice. This is the Ziggurat. So it's in the exclamation point build command. Any red or burgundy is fire. My favorite color of keyboard right now, I've been vibing with green, but I've also been really liking like wines and burgundy colors. So red is not far off of my new spectrum of what I've been liking for keyboards. All right, let's open this up because we're gonna be doing a new PCB today. Windows keyless is a nice symmetrical design that gives you more metal for your money. That's actually true to you. You get more money, you get more metal. The Windows key is the best way to get around your computer without using a mouse. That's actually true though. There is a lot of hotkeys, but I'm not gonna talk about those hotkeys today because I don't use those. Whose soldering job is this? They did a pretty good job. Pretty nice, chat, pretty nice. The 7U spacebar is dumber than... I know you don't like 7U, Soren. Soren likes 3U spacebars. Soren only likes those. Look at this hunk of brass, chat. What a hunk of brass. Laminar, confirmed, denied. It's this one here, right? This one here. We're chopping off this guy right here. 1U spacebar, KEK W. That's too tough for me. I think I need a 2U. 2U is the smallest I can go. Wait, you know WinKey is the Alfred hotkey of Windows, right? I guess I'm not used to using any of those Windows shortcuts at all, ever. Like I don't think I've ever used them. Spacebar, okay, well, right here then. All right, let's try to chop this off nicely. Under the switch, yeah, it's this one here. So we're chopping this off. I'm assuming the finals. Well, let me just do it over here. The final for this won't have these to chop off. Damn, that went flying. So these have a little bit of pour-on pads underneath here too. I don't know if you guys can catch those underneath those leaf springs. And that'll just sit cozy in here. But look at this red, chat. Oh, look at all these pads over here too, the pour-on pads. So are all these necessary, Laminar, including these guys? Are these just so the case doesn't resonate? Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. Very interesting how many pour-on pads there are in here. Just so you guys can take a quick look. What a beautiful red. And here is the PCB. So we have some options here to play around with. Pretty standard fare options for a solderable PCB. GMK Morbin, if that ever becomes a real set, you bet your ass I'm buying that. That's like a day one purchase, dude. That's a day one purchase. If the enter said it's time to morb, you bet your bottom dollar I would buy that, dude. I'm just testing with Noir, but I think Noir or Stone would look both good, chat. No, please do Noir. I can't. The voting has finished. Noir did not come out on top. I can't go against what the people want, dude. It's illegal. Noir is boring? Dude, I don't know why everyone hates white on black or any sort of like black based keycap set. It's so nice. I don't see why I just don't test both. It's illegal. In keyboard streams, changing out your entire keycap set is actually against the rules. Aren't these delectable looking? So cute. How about you guys? What was your first mechanical keyboard? Yeah, they look good on the purple. It's a nice little bouquet. Get it? Because it's a bouquet of roses. Bring 1.72 PCB2. For which one? Laminar? Huh? Oh, the other one to show how pretty it is? Here, I'll show you. Plug this in. Alright, there we go. And then here's the other PCB with the 1.2 mil. Also very pretty with the purple. Okay, low kilo laminar, I love you and all, but the roses look really good on purple. This is cute too, but these look super cute. I actually remember building it during watching your stream. Oh, really? Your first one? Damn, that is too kind. I hope I put in everything correctly here. All right, let's flip this over and screw it all in. Don't you think the price of the gem is too high? I mean, even the RAR was about the same price. It is a 3-piece design though. So there's also that to like consider and take in too. So, but yeah, I think 3-piece design keyboards are still hit and miss in today's market. Cause like how many people in chat, if you really liked a keyboard, think about this, like this chat. If you really loved a keyboard, how much would you be willing to spend? Would you spend $550 on a keyboard you really loved? Like, would that be too high? Would you consider saying like, hey, I love this, but I don't want to spend this much money? Just for the base kit. Or is that too high? $550 would be an exit board. Okay, that's fair. My limit is sub 1,000. All right, let's take it off this. Dude, look how good stone looks on a yellow keyboard. Look at this. Look how good stone looks on this. Look. No, protos do not count. $1,000 you'd be willing to spend? Interesting. Very, very interesting. Do I go get that Alu NK87 now? Dude, it actually sounds pretty good. These are with stock NK Silks too. This board is the accent. I don't think we need to put an accent piece. Oh, well, let's put away some stuff here. The red really pops. Agreed. Ooh, chat, this is kind of neat. All right, chat. Okay, dude, roses might have been the call for this. All right, dude, so this is, here, we'll take another quick peek at the board. Here's the side profile. Pretty nice, actually. It's kind of like your standard like top frame with a wedge there. The wedge is really small in this case here. Kind of peaks up, which is kind of cool. Kind of peaks out the back here too and kind of has a taper forward, which is kind of cool. So the top profile is actually kind of nice. Like, it might be hard to tell on camera because it looks darker on both these sides, but it kind of has a really nice frame to it, which is really cool. Here's the back of the keyboard. Again, it's sitting on top of this box. The USB-C is over there. Nothing on the bottom, which I absolutely love. Laminar, is this going to be clear coated? Like low key? Don't get me wrong, I love clear coated brass, but I also like brass that isn't, because I think if it's not clear coated, bro, you can get some sweet natural patina on this. You can get some sweet natural patina on that. So, and again, it even tapers out here on the sides too, which is kind of nice. So you have a really nice overall top-down look at the keyboard too. All right, chat, let's see what this sounds like. Ooh. The spacebar is a really nice sound. I'm not noticing any ping laminar. Nice. Are KTT Roses still good without lube? I would lube them. The key set's fire. Interesting, dude. This is quite nice. I like it too because like it has like a bit of a subtle like deep sound to it. But it's not losing its character of like the bottom out, which is quite nice. It sounds clean, yeah. It sounds really clean. Like I said, the changes I would probably make, Laminar, is just ever so slightly reduce the hole size of the additional pins on the PCBs for the switches. Maybe that's really about it. Other than that, there's nothing else that seems to like stand out that's wrong. Alignment was pretty damn simple too, which sometimes people can fail at, unfortunately. Looks sweet too. Has a really nice sound profile. I think if you're looking for a plateless build like this, with this particular layout too, this is pretty nice. How much is this gonna cost, Laminar, again? It's 2. Full brass bottom for about 400 bucks is not that bad. Considering everything these days, not that bad. Quite nice. If I would have never guessed it's Plateless. If you had given this to me, I probably wouldn't have guessed so. The bounce is nice too. For anyone wondering, like it is very soft typing experience. There's a little bit of bounce. It's not super bouncy, which is kind of nice to be honest. The Tiger has a beautiful sound profile. That's a lot of gifted. Yeah, it's impressive. It's impressive. This is how light is the Tiger? It's pretty light. It's not very heavy. This is purple. This is their lilac. It does not look like the renders at all. Like, it's more gray than purple. That's the other crazy thing. I would have never guessed this sounds like this because of like how hollow this sounds. But it's the mid foam is doing all the heavy lifting here because it kind of seals the case. Like these is more up my alley, you know? Because I like, you guys know I like clackier builds. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys in a bit. Laminar, you guys killed it with this. I can't wait for this to come out. Super awesome keyboard. I love you guys. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the support. Peace out, everybody. And good night. Well, okay, not good night. Maybe for European people, good night. But goodbye for everyone else. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.